checking out the engine bay. We're just gonna scan through this, nice and clean. All of that looks good. All right, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. So we have full front clip PPF, the entire fender, entire hood, headlights, all of the silver painted parts are fully protected in PPF. This trim is protected as well until about right there. And then the first 3 or 4 inches of the roof have film on it. See that line? And then following that body line here, everything there and down, fully wrapped in PPF. You got the door cups as well. And then same here, following that line and down. And then the very edge of that back bumper. All of that is fully protected. Looking at this wheel, absolutely perfect. They look amazing. There's your tire size. Nitto NT420 Vs. That fender's perfect. A-pillar looks amazing. Mirror looks good. I don't see any flaws there. That door edge looks nice. You can see the film. It's kind of fresh, so it's kind of peeling on the edges there. Got the exhaust. Bedside looks good. That wheel's perfect. You got the roll-in lock. It is the hard one. Got this little extension here, looks good. All of that looks amazing. I don't see any damage there. Looks pretty much perfect. That fender looks good. Wheel's amazing. That looks good. I don't see any flaws yet. Bedside looks nice. That looks perfect. Even got the tailgate step. Sensors here, and there's nothing to pick apart on this thing. It looks good. All right, checking out the interior. It is a non-smoker and it still smells brand new. That looks good. Lower section is clean. Got the all-weather mats. These seats are heated. There's your switch. Got the Alcantara inserts. The little lightning bolt here. Got the leather. That wheel's perfect. All of that looks good. Really not much to pick apart in here. Got the bigger screen. Looks really nice. Here on this door panel, a couple tiny scuffs there. Got the all-weather mats. Seats are heated. Got the leather with the Alcantara. All of that looks good. That looks nice. Tiny little scuff right here. The rest of it's really clean. All of that looks awesome. And then of course you got your bed liner. And then right here you have a little graze on that plastic.